Welcome to Mike X Apple, and I am here with another iPhone Pro Max leather case. This time we have the Midnight. So right now I have, what is this called? Umber. I do so far like this case better than the iPhone 12 case, which was the last phone that I had. This one seems like it's doing a better job with the patina, or maybe just because it's naturally darker anyway. I really like this case. However, as with most things in my life, I saw a sale and I ended up picking this up for $25. So Best Buy actually had a sale for this and the wallet, which I also picked up this Midnight one, for $47. And they have the open box one. So I picked up an open box for both of these for 25 bucks each. The wallet I've had for like a week. This got super delayed somehow. So I just got this like a week and a half after I was supposed to. So I was originally going to unbox this, but I started using it immediately. I already had a first generation wallet without the Find My. This is the second generation that has Find My built in, which I was kind of disappointed by it. I don't know what I was expecting. I was hoping it had the precision finding. I never really looked into it, but it doesn't. It's just basically like if you take it off, it tells you the location where you took it off at. That's pretty much it. And I guess it's useful if you lose it out in public, then at least you'll know the location of where you last took it off of your phone or where it detached from your phone. So I picked up both of these Midnight leather accessories. See how well they pair together. So I have no idea what condition this is going to be in since it was open box. This was completely fine. This pretty much looked brand new. So let's get in here and find out. There we go. All right, so upon first examination, I don't see anything out of the ordinary. This doesn't look like it was used at all. The manual is still in here. I mean, it pretty much looks brand new. There is like a mark inside of here. Not like a mark, but you could tell like the felt has been, it's been touched by another phone. But yeah, I really like this year's leather cases. Now, personally, I have never gotten the black one before because I like the brown usually for leather, or like a lighter color so you can really see that patina. Figure for 25 bucks, it's time for me to try something a little different. Also, I ended up splitting this case on the side. So right here, there is a split. And that's completely my fault. I have this protector on my camera that has an adhesive. You try to pull the case off, it tries to keep the case on your phone, and I ended up splitting it that way when I first tried to take it off. Now it just comes off with no issues. But when I first tried to take it off, this did not want to come off. It was like stuck onto the camera, and it ended up causing my case to split right here, right by this button. So I really like this case. I mean, I'm still going to use it. It's not that big of a deal, but just a warning, if you try to get one of these little camera protector things, they can mess up your case. Let's get this black on. So I already have the black iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is just gonna be like a really stealthy black on black phone. I really like this. You still get that leather feel. It's the small details when you really look at it that's kind of elegant. And of course the accents are glossy like they are on this case, except they're black, of course, because this is a black case. And yeah, this is a really nice case. I might have to switch my next iPhone to white and maybe go with the black leather case instead. I've done brown the last 2 times, and then before that with the 11 Pro I did the yellow case. So this is the darkest one I've done out of the leather cases, and yeah, this thing is really nice. And 25 bucks if you happen to catch this on sale, especially if you're looking at Best Buy. Always check the open box, because worst case scenario, if there's something wrong with it, you could just take it to a Best Buy store or send it back. They'll just give you your money back for it. So $25 for this, 25 bucks for this. So basically $50 is like the price of one of these. And the wallet matches really well with this color. But the wallet might be a little bit darker. Maybe it's just because the pattern is slightly different on there. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I did not sandpaper this. I was talking about it in the unboxing video for this, if I should sandpaper it. And I decided not to at the time, but now that it's kind of scratched up and it has that break in it anyway, and I got another case, I might sandpaper it and do a video on that and see how it goes. Let me know below in the comments what you think. Do you have any of the iPhone leather cases? Or what's your favorite case in general? Again, let me know. You have a great rest of your day. Peace out.